Good morning, everyone. It's Mark. I'm here with my mom. She's right behind me. My little guy in the back. It's Monday morning. I'm heading to New York, Long Island City, New York. Get a couple of more stuff. I think I made a video a couple of days ago that I went to go pick up for November and December. Well, I'm heading back again to get more because it seems this product is doing very good during the holidays. So I'm gonna get a good amount, and then I'm going to do something I haven't done in a very long time. It's get a car wash, because this car's been dirty for now 3 months. So let me just, Mom, can you say hi?
Hi.
That's my mama, and that's Mason. Mason, do you want to say anything? Oh, okay. Very good, Mason. Can you say bye to everyone?
Bye, Alan.
Say I'll see you later.
I'll see you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Try those. I'm going to give you a mix up a piece. And this is a sliced.
I see.
And
And how much are they going in the in stores?
in stores, okay. What we have right now in supermarkets, the whole is $4.49.
$4.49.
This one, the pitted is $4.49, $4.99,
Yeah.
and this one is $3.99. Same this with the sliced.
I see.
Those is $3.99.
Yeah.
And the profit that I want to give you some. Yeah, it's,
good,
a lot of people are familiar with that.
Yes. Oh yeah, and I was gonna say a lot of people have been asking me about expiration dates. Right now I have it at 07/2/20.
220, yeah.
When
The
you,
new one is 221.
Yeah. So if
Yeah.
the next three that I get right now,
Yeah,
it'll be
yeah, I'll
220.
get-
A 12 ounce.
So what I do is, I'll get you something. So
Okay.
you get
More or less,
maybe, let's say, maybe 10 to 20, or maybe
Yeah.
20 to 50, or whatever. I don't know, 20 to, I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, because when is it? In January.
And then you need
The same one, but
the
in
same
white.
One, right?
Yeah, one white. So as you just saw at the last clip, I was inside the warehouse there here in Long Island City. This location is where I pretty much grew up. I'm from Astoria, not that far from Long Island City, but I've worked in Long Island City for 18 years. It's around this area where I started my workforce. Now, it feels good to know that you have connections with people and you could expand. See, in the clip, I'm not sure if I'm gonna edit it or just cover up some things on that clip, but good news came about when I came there in person. See, when you have a connection with a supplier, you can automate it, have it automated where you submit the invoice of what you want, and then it can be sent to your house. It could, or it could be sent to a different location, or you can have it shipped to you. Now, that's easy, but when you go see your supplier, and especially when they understand that you're traveling an hour or two to get there. See, I live in Pennsylvania, but I grew up in New York. So this location is not that far from my mother's house. It's not that far from my old job. I know the community. So when I went there today to pick up, he understood, he understands that I'm coming from far to pick up, that he showed me some new things that just came out in the market, and he gave me a box of samples. Now I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna mark it on the market. I'm gonna put them on eBay. I'm gonna put them on Amazon, and see if it sells. Now, if they sell, I'm going to get more. But the connection that you have, the relationship that you have with your supplier, it's best if you see them. Give them a call, see how they're doing. But when you're gonna place an order, I recommend seeing them in person, because you grow a relationship. They understand you, you understand them, they understand what you want, and they have a sense of idea. The majority of products that you're getting, they have an idea of what you may like, and they suggest, hey, what do you think about this? And if you agree, they'll give you samples if you have that type of relationship, and then you can use that to your advantage, so then in the future you can get more, and then they'll show you more things. But if you're just constantly just clicking a button on an email saying, hey, can I get this? Send it to this location. You're not really building that relationship with your supplier. I'm just ranting here, but New York traffic. It's good. I feel good right now because I got some new stuff that I could put on the market and see how it goes. And the best thing is that it's free. They hook you up. Now, I gotta be very careful with my camera because there's a cop right behind me. For some reason, each time I'm in New York, there's always a cop behind me. But yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna go pick up my little kid from my mother's house, get a car wash, and then head back home because I gotta pick up my little guy from the bus stop before 3, and it's 11:50 right now. Hopefully there's no traffic getting back to PA. All right, guys, I'm seeing you in the next clip. Yep. We're here at the car wash. Finally, my car's getting clean. It was very dirty. Yep. Yes. Want to see the car?